Hello everyone, welcome back to Rare Chem Official. Today we are going to discuss about de Broglie's wave theory. In previous lectures, already we learnt that light or electromagnetic radiations behave like wave as well as particle in nature. It means that dual nature. Wave nature of light explained by diffraction, interference and polarization. Particle nature of light or electromagnetic radiation explained by Planck's quantum theory and photoelectric effect. De Broglie hypothesis that if light behaves like particle, why can't particle behaves like wave? Based on this, he given a theory, that is de Broglie's wave theory. First time he proposed the wave nature of electron. According to de Broglie theory, all moving particles have wave properties. Wave properties are important only for particles of small mass and high velocity. If particles have small velocity and high mass, wave can't form. That's why it is applicable only for particles of small mass and high velocity. Actually, it is like a wave, right? If take rest position, it is wave. Distance between two crests or two troughs is called wavelength. In general, it is like a wave. Whenever the particles have small velocity and a small high mass, wave can't form. It is like infinity. It means it is applicable for particles of small mass and high velocity. To find out wavelength, he has taken two equations. One is Planck's quantum theory and Einstein equation. Planck's equation equals to h nu hc by lambda. This is one. Einstein equation is equals to mc square. If combining 1 and 2, hc by lambda equals to mc square. Lambda equals to hc by mc square. If you want to calculate lambda, that is equals to h by mc. C is the velocity of light. If the velocity of microparticle is v, it means c equals to v. Then de Broglie's equation is lambda equals to h by mv. Here mv equals to momentum, right? So h by p. mv equals to momentum of the particle, h is the Planck's constant. Here wavelength is inversely proportional to velocity of light. If v equals to 0 means, here already we discussed particles of small mass and high velocity. If particle have small velocity, then it is like infinity. So wave can't form. It is applicable for only high velocity and small mass. De Broglie's concept and Bohr's theory. Two types of waves are possible for an electron moving around the nucleus in the circular path. It is first one is standing wave, stationary wave or non-energy radiative wave. If take nucleus, electron moving around the nucleus like a wave. Here no starting and end point is not observed. It means that 2 phi r equals to n lambda. Electron moving or revolves around the nucleus in a particular orbit. It means that no loss of energy, no gain of energy. Neither lose energy nor gain energy. According to hence de Broglie theory and Bohr's theory are agreement with each other. According to Bohr theory, that equation is mvr equals to nh by 2 phi. When mvr equals to nh by 2 phi, the electron is revolves around the nucleus in a particular orbit. if MVR equals to 1h by 25, the electron is revolves around the nucleus in a first orbit. If MVR equals to 2h by 25, the electron is revolves around the nucleus in second orbit. Here circumference 25R equals to n lambda, lambda equals to 25R by n. Here n is the integer or whole number. We know that de Broglie equation is h by mv. 25R equals to h by mv. If take mvr nh by 25. Here mvr equals to nh by 25. The de Broglie according to Bohr's the equation is mvr equals to nh by 25. So hence de Broglie's theory and Bohr's theory are agreement with each other. The electron moving around the nucleus, it is like wave when circumference 25R equals to n lambda. When electron moving around the nucleus in a particular orbit, no loss of energy, no gain of energy. Second one is non-stationary or energy radiating wave. This phase also called as out phase. Here starting or ending point we can observe. If take nucleus, this electron is moving around the nucleus. When circumference 25R is not equals to n lambda, electron will not exist in the particular orbit. Means it moves or it transition between two energy levels. When circumference is not equals to 25R not equals to n lambda, electron will jump to higher level to lower level to higher level. Transition between high energy level to lower energy level to higher energy level. Electron moves by losing energy, by gain energy it moves to other energy level. It is called non-stationary or energy radiating wave. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.